from China's point of view, they want to get, they don't like the U.S. having this reserve currency because it gives us, a lot of leverage over, Iranian oil supply chains and all sorts of things like that. They don't want the renminbi to become a reserve currency because then you have to open your capital account and you have to do all sorts of things that they really don't want to do. I think the euro, you could think of as, was in part a Chinese weapon against the dollar. It didn't, the last decade it hasn't quite worked out that way, but that was, China would have liked to see two reserve currencies like the euro. And, even though I'm sort of a pro-crypto, pro-Bitcoin maximalist person, I do wonder whether at this point Bitcoin is also should also be thought in part as a Chinese financial weapon against the U.S., where it threatens fiat money, but it especially threatens the U.S. dollar, and China wants to do things to weaken it. So it's sort of China is long Bitcoin, and perhaps from a geopolitical perspective, the U.S. should be a little bit be asking some tougher questions about exactly how that works. But some internal stable coin in China, that's not a real cryptocurrency. That's just some sort of totalitarian measuring device.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the DRich Show. Happy Friday. This is DRich, and today is the 9th of April, 2021. Again, happy Friday, guys. I hope everyone is doing well and good health, good spirits, good energy, wherever you may be. And again, I hope that your day is off to a rock solid start. And as we continue to thrive in the crypto market, I just want to make sure that we give a big shout out to all of the communities out there, all the crypto pioneers out there who are early adopters or who are just people coming just fresh into crypto. Welcome to the DRich Show. Again, if you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and those rumbles. And as to my normals, as far as the normies that are here on a regular basis, the subscribers that are coming to the channel every day, I appreciate you and thank you very much. I know it's kind of redundant, but it's always greatly appreciated after I, go back and I kind of look back and see, who's viewing and, what not. And getting feedback from folks, I appreciate that as well. So you guys know who you guys are. So I appreciate you guys. I want to give you guys some love so that you guys are made aware of it. Anyway, guys, not too much going on today in the videos, but I want to go ahead and throw out some things. As you can see in the video that was posted before the start of the video. Guys, you heard what this person said, Peter Thiel. We'll get into that. But, first we're going to get into this coin market cap right quick. And again, my favorite number, but it really doesn't matter if it goes down from Bitcoin's dominance at 55%. Ethereum is at 12.1. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at, on the market at $58,543.65. This is according to Coin Market Cap. Ethereum is at $2,079.80 there. And Binance Coin, again, is continually impressive. It's very impressive for me. $446.31 at number 3. And right on the heels of Binance Coin, you got XRP at $1.03, up 4%, for almost 4.5% over the last 24 hours. And then at number 6, you got Cardano at $1.21 there. Polkadot number 7, $40.65. Uniswap $29.88. And then you got Litecoin at $224.95. And rounding out the top 10, you got, Chainlink at $31.71. And Theta at number 11, trying to get back into the top 10 at $12.63. And again, I used the word redundant. I know it does seem that it is redundant to go over the coin market cap every single day, but the more and more, ladies and gentlemen, you embrace it, The more and more you get acclimated to the market, the more familiar you get with it, the ebbs and flows of the market. And then you also get to, feel the market as the market continues to mature, bring on extra liquidity with different assets as you see different assets bumping up and down from different numbers or different, you know, positions in the market cap. So, as you can see, you got VeChain sitting there at 13 cents. And guys, I mean, if you guys have held VeChain for a long time, I believe that you're sitting in some good profits there. Dogecoin is there moving up, and a couple others, guys, if you guys are paying attention to some of your assets that will bring some returns if that's what you're looking for. Okay, if you guys got any questions about what my suggestions might be or anything like that, I'm free to offer that for free. And again, this is never going to be financial advice. I can only give you my opinion of some things, and if I can help of any way, I would I would appreciate you asking, and I would be most definitely in the open to help. So anyway, guys, you guys decide what you guys want to do. Again, as far as your portfolio, I'm out there, I can't see it. But again, if you kind of help me out and you need help as far as trying to structure it, things like that, I can most definitely help you go that route. Anyway, guys, as you know, we've been talking about like blackouts and shortages and things like that. And yesterday, I noticed that I've experienced some things myself with like Twitter, even with CoinMarketCap early on in the morning. We were having some little difficulties with, exchanges being, in maintenance or whatnot. And again, I always like to, throw it out there so that you guys are aware that these things are not just happening just randomly. It's no coincidences as far as things are concerned. So Facebook services down for thousands of users. Also WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and many others. I think Reddit, some gaming consoles and things like that were also out. So anyway, guys, protect your data, protect your stuff, and most definitely take care of all of your stuff. And, make sure you have all your assets, if possible, offline. Try to use the VPN. I don't have any recommendations, but, always try to secure all of your stuff as best as possible. And I just wanted to throw this out there so you guys are paying attention. Some of these articles are, whatever. Okay. But you see this right here, guys? Do you see that? Oops. Yeah, right here. I know it says 1996, but, sometimes they'll tell you what they want you to know. You decide. I know what it says. I know what it looks like to me. But anyway, lastly, guys, I just wanted to go over this article real quick. Peter Thiel, China could use Bitcoin as a financial weapon against the U.S. And that was the video that you did here to start off the video today. And guys, I'm not here to speculate. I'm not here to hate on Bitcoin or anything like that. That's not my job. Okay. My job is to, use my eyeballs, use my ears to hear, and kind of make a decision, not based on my feelings or my emotions, based on, my common sense or my understanding of certain things. And, if you guys are pro Bitcoin, I hope that you guys, continue to be successful with Bitcoin. I will hopefully, I had a message yesterday where someone broke it down to me. And I'm really considering to get into Bitcoin, but, that's kind of like, not like on, my list. It's kind of like a little bit down on my list as far as trying to get into Bitcoin. There's other assets that I'm eyeing at the moment. And, one day I'll release them, probably next week, to kind of give you guys a heads up on some of the things that I've been keeping an eye on as far as other assets adding to my portfolio. But right now, guys, you guys just got to understand that we are at, spiritual war. We're at financial war, information war. And, you got to kind of, again, sift through some of the things that are being thrown at you as far as misdirection, deceit, and things like that. So, for me, I want to give you my perspective, my view. You can agree with me, you can disagree with me, and we're still going to be cool. And that's just the way I look at it, because at the end of the day, that's what free speech is about. You have your ideas, not necessarily that I would agree with them, but I'm going to respect them because those are your ideas, and I hope that that would happen in return. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end it with this short video here as we get closer and closer to the end, to where we are headed. And I can tell you with this little clip right here, guys, I know you're going to be able to resonate with it. So I'll leave you with it. And I can tell that we're getting a little bit, more, comfortable, and, like we're getting excited because we're seeing those gains in XRP and other assets. But again, try to be as humble as possible. My favorite thing is remember where you come from. Remember how you got there. Okay. Act like you've been there before. Okay. So these are some big responsibilities headed our way. There might be more problems come our way, but we want to be able to digest everything, take a deep breath, and just know that our time is coming, your time is coming. Whether, wherever you're from, I believe that your time is coming. And I think that time is coming very soon. So anyway, guys, I love you. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. As my favorite thing is, I always try to do something fun, new, and exciting. God bless. Take care. And as usual, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.
So I was right. I took a rash of shit for 2 years, but I was right. And everyone was wrong. And yeah, I got a bonus check for it. Sue me. It's a lot of money. I get it. I could feel you judging me. That's palpable. But hey, I never said I was the hero of this story.